Hi there, I'm Andrew Martyr from MarketingSharks.com. This is called the GPT Cashflow Kit, and they go on to call it powered by prompt psyops, which means absolutely nothing to me. Even the GPT Cashflow Kit, even the AI shortcut to weekend income, what it really is there's, and they do spell it out, 15 GPTs. GPTs are a form of, I'll call it a little software that does a particular exact task. Like AI, that kind of thing. So chat GPT, a GPT prompt. None of that matters. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. There's a bit of a description of it there. And then you can click either the product box or the box at the bottom. And for $15, you get 15 of these GPTs. And I'll rumble through. It's really not on their page. Their page is weird. It's got a weird name. It's the top selling item, so people are figuring it out. But I'm going to go on this page and go to the top. So when you come to it, it's like this. It's all crazy. It's all about, hey, there's a big story. And I kind of go, what are you doing? You read through it. There you get to this. You get down to the bottom, and they do show you the GPTs. And here's a really good description of each particular one. But in the part that I saw, I get to scroll it down, to narrow it down, to just describe it to you. That's why I made this video. 15 profit-generating GPTs with PLR rights. You can resell these and strategy videos. And these 15 custom-built GPTs are designed to help you build products, create content, and generate income. It's all about making money. So let's ignore the PLR part. You get it. You can resell this. They go into it in better detail on the sales page. But here's what I want to show you. 15 GPTs. What the heck am I going to do with that? So how about we just narrow it right down to what they do? Tools that remove confusion, give you clarity so you stop spinning your wheels. Here's a topic finder GPT. Here's a YouTube traffic GPT. Here's a hook headlines GPT. You're starting to get the idea. That's the first category. And then here we go. The next category, you're starting to see where the money-making part is coming in. It's called tools that build proof. Turn ideas into products you can sell in 2026 and 2025 for that matter. There's still a month left of, we're December 5th as I'm recording this. So content repurpose GPT, you got a blog post, you can turn it into different things. Audience activator GPT, offer alchemy GPT, bonus builder GPT, PLR flip GPT. You're starting to see this. Launch plan GPT. Let me go down a little bit further here, and fast cash flow GPT. So all of those are in that category of tools that build proof. And here we go, tools that create momentum. So here we go, start 2026 with a growing audience and real publishing habits. Email alchemy GPT, lead magnet forge GPT, mini course maker GPT, funnel fix GPT, offer alchemy GPT advanced, and you get full PLR rights to all of this. In one weekend, this is the weekend cash flow playbook, and you have support access and Q&A. It's a complete system you can start and be generating income. The upgrade offers are listed after that at my blog post. So all I'm going to say is 15 different GPTs that show you how to force AI to make you money. So it's not by typing in, hey, find a way to make money. That's not what you do. You know what you're doing. You're going to create something that people are going to want to buy. You're going to promote it out there by using AI to make videos, make shorts, make reels, make ways of getting traffic to your offer. And then you're going to create the offer and provide it to people. And that's sort of in a nutshell, this is what the GPTs are doing. So the whole thing, $15 for 15 different GPTs, fresh out today, you get in on this. And in 2 days, you are on top of all of these things. I think actually they're going to release a GPT a day is the way this starts out. So instead of going, hey, poof, here's everything you've ever wanted to find out about AI, which is completely useless to you. You're just going to be overwhelmed. You're going to put it aside, dust on your computer hard drive. 1 GPT per day arrives from the 5th, that's today, to the 19th. Is that right? That's 15 days. And then that will create for you. You're going to be able to have everything figured out. You're going to be able to create income starting in 2026. So as soon as you get this, you're going to start. And we're on this page. Let's take a quick look. What's the first one going to be? Oh, Topic Finder GPT. So I'm just going to show you the quick little bit. I'm not going to go through all the different ones. I gave you the name of each of the ones. And here I'm just going to go number one. What do you think? When do you think that arrives? Probably today. So Topic Finder, find your strategic lane. Discover the hidden honeycomb markets, opportunities creators overlook because they copy niches instead of looking for gaps. This GPT scans human emotion, not just keywords. Show you where interest and demand are already strong. You go from chaos to clarity fast. Drop in what you think your niche is and watch the GPT hand you 3 laser-focused versions designed for clarity, ranked by difficulty, opportunity, and time commitment. That's day one. You get the idea. This is going to be a real thing. This isn't just going to be like, hey, I got a big ebook. So let's go here. Click the link in the video description. Come over to my site at marketingsharks.com. Click the product box or the link at the bottom of the blog post. It'll list a bit of a description like I talked about, the different areas, kind of categories of each of these GPTs. The upgrade offers are listed at the bottom, and then you click the product link at the bottom or the product box at the top. Grab a copy of this, $15 for 15 GPTs, the AI shortcut to weekend income. So if you want to work hard, this is not your thing for you. But if you want artificial intelligence to do the work for you, this, I think you can tell already, gets it all put together in a package and does it for you. So check it out. Links in the video description for the GPT Cashflow Kit. Come check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the description and go check out the GPT Cashflow Kit. Enjoy.